Hello there. Welcome to the Microsoft Office Specialist Excel Associate 2019 course. My name is Kieran Comerford and I will be your e-tutor on the course. So just the purpose of this video is to give you an introduction to my background in terms of educational qualifications, Microsoft Office Specialist certification, along with professional experience. So just starting off with, we will start off with my certifications. So I'm a Microsoft Office Specialist Master in Office 2003, Office 2007, Office 2010, Office 2013, Office 2016, and I'm an expert and associate in Office 2019. There is no master certification in Office 2019, so there's expert levels and associate levels. So just have a quick look, just to show you a quick look now. This is my Microsoft Office Specialist Master 2016, okay? So I just want to highlight here, just a little square around here. So there you are, you can see my courses there. So I have the PowerPoint, the Outlook, the Access, the Excel, and the Word, okay? I just want to also show you the 2019. So again, I'm just going to draw a little rectangle around that as well. So there's my 2019 ones, okay? Okay, so now moving on to my educational qualifications. So as you can see here, I have a Master's in Adult Learning, Master in Arts in Adult Learning and Development in NUI Galway, which I obtained in 2016. I have a Diploma in Technology Enhanced Learning through NUI Galway, and I've also a Diploma in Adult Learning and Development in NUI Galway as well, okay? So then, just with the Microsoft certification, being the master in all those, I have set and passed over 55 Microsoft Office Specialist exams. So I know exactly what is involved in passing the exam and what to look out for, and just the general technique and approach to the exams. And we'll be covering this further along in the course, okay? So now going on to my work background, my professional background. So I have both classroom experience in teaching Office, my Microsoft Office Specialist certification, and I also have online experience for eCollege. So let's look at the classroom. So in the classroom, I've taught for 2 years in various locations such as Kilkenny and Waterford, to students of around 20 in the classroom. And I've taught Microsoft Office Specialist Word Core, Excel Core, Outlook, and PowerPoint. And then along with the online experience, I've been working for the last 5 to 6 years for eCollege, and I've delivered and designed online courses for Microsoft Office Specialist PowerPoint, Microsoft Office Specialist Outlook, and Microsoft Office Specialist Access. I've designed various activities such as quizzes, practical exercises, sample exam papers, along with providing student support via email. I've also provided student support, help develop the various activities on Moodle, and also responding to students via Moodle messaging, along with posting of forums on Moodle, and basically just trying to engage the students as much as possible, okay? So that's all for this video, and on the next video we're going to have a look at just the general layout of the course and how the course is structured. So that's fantastic stuff. Thanks a million for watching, and we will see you on the next video. And if you need any more information, go to www.officemaster19.ie or www.officemaster19.co.uk, or else you can subscribe to this video, or alternatively have a look for the Office Master 19 YouTube video channel. That's brilliant. Thanks a million.